outside. Stinky. Stinky. Stinky.
Let's see it. Let's see the Surron work.
Bro, you want to see the Surron work?
I saw you doing both feet down circles. Your story, was that you?
Yeah. I'm pretty ass.
So am I. It's okay. We can be ass together. Come on.
I'm still trying to get it.
You pulled that.
Come on, bro. So. No. No. Oh, that's tough. No.
Huh? Oh, she's good. Which is great.
At all.
Explain this to me. Oh.
That's usually
It's gotta go.
I like
Wow,
that.
I fuck with
I
it.
like that.
Cause I didn't do it. And my brother looped this bitch yesterday.
Yeah, is that your brother?
Yeah. Oh, man down. Man down. Oh, it's over with for him. Man down. You're good, bro. Bro, I wasn't recording this run. Are you good?
Oh, my ass. I can't die. Ooh.
And of course I wasn't recording. Fuck. Oh shit. I heard Sonic rings come out his ass. Oh shit.
Fuck, that hurt.
Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna say it for a minute. Fuck.
Alright. That was crazy. You good, man?
Oh, I got a tear coming out my eye. Fuck, dude.
Fucking looped this bitch. He looped this bitch yesterday. He fucked up my peg.
Wait, what?
Look,
Oh.
looped right here.
I was like, oh.
So
So I have to build
explain
the
this to me
bike.
because I'm like, is it all dirt bike concepting up here and
It's just
so
throttle.
that and then this is all just your clutch and
That's
your
my front brake, rear brake.
Oh, so there's no clutch.
No.
No.
It's automatic and it's
So-
electric.
I want to ride it, but I'm like, wait a minute.
You can
He's
ride
going
it.
really fast.
Yeah,
And
I
I
mean,
don't want to go that fast.
I'll put it
I
in.
just want to learn it.
I'll put it in. I'll put it in
It's the only thing that's low.
Somebody's getting their
EP mode.
It only goes 40. Nobody's gonna be able to.
Hey, they're all gonna race you.
What?
Why?
What did I do to
I don't
deserve
know. They
that?
think this goes like.
It only goes. I was gonna say it only goes 40. I know.
They're gonna race you. Oh my god. What did I do to deserve this? We got a GSXR 600. And we got an R6.
Yeah, I'm gonna race your ass.
Versus a fucking Surron LBX. Like, what is going on right now? How are we calling this?
Oh. Yeah, you get it, yeah.
Is that a 600?
Yeah.
GSXR 600 and an R6 against a fucking Surron.
Hey, somebody count us down.
No! Oh shit, we're about to get Zika.
I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm damn sure not gonna like. I'm not gonna pretend like I'm a big old rock star. Oh, I can touch.
Barely.
Oh wait, what? That instantly went the minute I rolled it.
It's electric.
Yeah, somebody give her a fucking helmet.
Oh yeah, facts.
Give her my helmet.
I don't need a helmet. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna ride.
You fall.
What? I already fell today.
Yeah, but what if you fall off a bike?
What am I supposed to do? How am I gonna fall? You put it in low mode.
You
put
can
it
fall
in low
off the
mode?
side.
I'm not geriatric.
Come on, you fall.
How do I stop?
You're the only nurse here.
This is the front.
That's
'Cause
your
I don't.
rear.
Okay,
Rear
I'd
brake.
rather do the rear. The front, I will mousetrap.
No, it's not that strong. Honestly, you can't even use it that much because it's holding this from sliding. So try not to
Just
use the front
back
brake.
brake.
Yeah.
Let's go forward, right?
Yeah. No, it's gonna go in reverse.
What?
It's gonna go in reverse.
But it's moving forward.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
No, it's going in reverse.
Does it
right
just
now,
automatically go into reverse then?
No, it's
Yeah, it's in reverse right now.
Go.
Oh, you're fucking weird.
And you're wearing fucking slippers?
I'm dead.
Can somebody go and fucking like put some dirt in her mouth or something and shut her up?
Your job. We can't do that without getting
You
an
need to tell her
assault
fucking
charge.
boyfriend to put his little wanker
Who
in
powder
there.
coated that?
I don't
Reviews
know.
on it?
That's how I got it.
That's dope. That's a clean ass paint job.
I want to change it.
Would you put it in the ass?
I want to do yellow.
Oh, yellow?
Yeah.
It's the same price as the Grom, he said.
How slow is low mode?
Like 10 miles per
So
hour.
pretty much what it is.
Fucking sport mode goes like 40, 50.
That's dope.
It's all stock for real.
What is it? The light beam?
IBX.
The X? Hey, she's in the knocker.
Are these really as much as the Grom?
Yeah. They're more expensive.
Okay, I'm gonna go really fast and I'll get right back.
They're 4,500. That's full throttle on eco mode.
Not my mother.
Bro, I had you guys for like.
Yeah, I know
0.3
you had us.
seconds.
What do you mean?
0.3 seconds.
Yeah, you had us at like
I
until
heard you
40.
guys take off. I was like, "Ah, what are these?"
Harley, do you want to get on for a second?
Not right now.
Well, he's not gonna like come off and he wants to play.
Oh yeah.
Let him play too.
Whatever, fuck off. Tired of thinking
Let him
about you.
play.
Tired
wanna
of thinking
try it?
about you.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go look that.
Is it on
I-
low still?
And who
Yeah.
did that?
Busy looking at
Who did that?
The powder coat. I don't know.
This shit would be so fun.
No, bro.
Okay.
There's that one.
Smoker thing up there, by the way. I went up there and looked.
You gotta let me try to wheelie this bitch.
Bro. it's easy to loop.
I know.
I haven't looped it bad, but I have fallen off like twice.
Like, and you just hold it. Yeah.
No, the first one, bro.
Oh, you fall off the bike.
No, I didn't fall off. I haven't fallen off yet.
Okay, that's good.
But I'm
Can't wait to see you do a circle wheelies on my bitch.
registered.
Thing's flying.
Oh yeah. It's like shit. Teach me your ways, sir.
Huh?
Teach me your ways, sir.
I don't have any good ways.
Huh?
I'm kind of garbage, bro.
What?
I said I'm kind of garbage. I don't have any good lessons. When you're doing it, you're going to want to kind of keep it tall, and you're going to kind of sit like this. Keep your shoulders back, and you kind of want to look to the left. Like, I'm kind of looking in this vicinity when I'm doing circles. Like, big thing's looking into it, and if you use too much brake, it's going to feel like it's trying to high side you.
Bet.
So just real smooth with it. Like no pressure on your left foot either. Like just try to dangle it. Now you're killing it, bud. You get it a little taller, you'll be swinging it.
Fucking good.
Yes, sir!
Fucking good.
God, you got a Charlie horse.
Get it. Yeah, it's stupid.
I like this thing though.
Yeah.
I might give me some quiet shit like this.
Have it up.
I don't know, I'm scared, dude.
Just straight torque. Same thing.
Yeah, but kind of foot brake, that's how I do it.
Even better. It's such a finger.
Oh no, hell no. How the fuck? I feel retard right. How do you wheelie this thing, dude? No.
Faith.
You're gonna
Faith.
make me kill myself on this bitch.
Faith and determination, bro. That's how I got it up.
I can't, what?
It's a crazy like learning curve, bro. Going from like the dirt bike to that. Oh.
Yeah, going from like a fucking board truck
Translate everything from that
To the big bike, yeah. Bro.
This thing's a quit, bro. It's like you ain't hanging on, you're fucked.
Yeah.
You're falling off.
It's the stupidest shit ever.
It's like that Tesla that I just had. It's weird, dude. It's a wheelie and I can't even get a big fucking tire up.